Hi, this is Gaurav, your study abroad exam trainer and guide, and I'm back with another exciting yet informative video for you. Today I'll be sharing the secrets to getting your desired band in the IELTS reading section. You must be wondering, why the reading section? Why not the other tough ones? Well, in my experience, this is where you can score the most and lose the most. So without further ado, let's get started. When faced with true, false, and not given questions, your task is to assess whether the information presented in the passage aligns with the provided statement. To excel in this question type, it's crucial to observe the details and grasp the subtleties to stay clear of common pitfalls. While true, false, and not given questions may pose a challenge, with the help of certain strategies, you will be able to tackle them effectively and elevate your performance on the IELTS reading test. Distinction between true, false, and not given questions. First and foremost, let's establish a clear understanding of the distinctions between true, false, and not given questions. True. When a statement is labeled as true, it means that the information stated in the passage confirms its accuracy. False. Conversely, if a statement is marked as false, it indicates that the information stated in the passage contradicts it. Not given. Now, when a statement is categorized as not given, it means that the passage neither confirms nor contradicts the information provided in the statement. Here's an example of a true, false, not given question with options and their corresponding answers. In recent years, technology has revolutionized the way we communicate. Social media platforms such as Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram have gained immense popularity, connecting people from all around the world. These platforms have not only changed the way we interact, but have also had a significant impact on businesses and marketing strategies. Let's look at the question. According to the passage, social media platforms have only influenced personal communication. The options are true, false, not given. So the answer is false. Let's have a look at the explanation. In the passage, it is mentioned that social media platforms have not only changed the way we interact personally, but have also had a significant impact on businesses and marketing strategies. This means that the influence of social media platforms extends beyond personal communication. Therefore, the answer is false. Now let's explore some effective strategies for tackling true, false, and not given questions. The first one is skim the passage. Before diving into the questions quickly, skim through the passage to grasp the overall topic, main ideas, and structure. This initial overview will help you to anticipate type of information you might encounter in the questions. The second one is read the questions carefully. Once you've skimmed the passage carefully, read the questions. Pay attention to keywords and phrases in the statements. Underline or highlight these keywords to keep them in mind while searching for the specific information. The third one is use scanning techniques. Employ scanning techniques to locate relevant information in the passage. Scan for keywords and synonyms that match those in the questions. Maintain a steady pace and avoid spending too much time on any single question to manage your time effectively. The fourth one is beware of traps. Stay vigilant for traps. Some statements may appear similar to information in the passage, but contain a subtle twist or distortion. Be cautious of words such as all, always, never, or none, as they can significantly alter the meaning of the statement. And the last one is understand the difference between false and not given. Differentiating between false and not given statements is crucial. Remember that false statements directly contradicts the information in the passage, while not given statements lack clear confirmation or contradiction in the passage. Avoid assuming a statement is false unless you find explicit evidence to contradict it. We really hope you found this tip super helpful. If they did the trick for you, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button to stay in loop for more awesome IELTS preparation content. Get ready for our next video where we'll be serving up more valuable insights and strategies. Catch you there.